Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Kharkawar has informed that a team from the Election Commission of India will arrive in Shillong on a two-day visit on January 12 to review the poll preparedness of the state of Meghalaya. The ECI team will have a series of programs which include holding meetings with the political parties and review meetings with the state's officials. The team will also have a detailed review meeting with the DCs and the SPs of the 12 districts and a discussion with the enforcement agencies like Income Tax, BSF and Customs. On January 13 morning, the team will be distributing some epic cards to 6 categories that include senior citizens, people with disabilities, youth, women and others, and they will be focusing on ethical voting, EVMs and VVPATs.
These are some of the arrangements. Apart from that, the regular voter awareness programs through our sweep campaign, it will go ahead. We have a Mission 300. Mission 300 basically is targeting 5 ACs per constituency with low turnout as against state average. So 81,000 against the total population, against total electorate of 21,000, it's almost about 3.5% plus if you work out in terms of percentage. So even the rest of India, it is not more than 2%. So I think we are one of the states which has one of the better averages in terms of youth enrollment.